Hi, I'm Martin, and in this presentation we're going to take a look at one of the new triggers in 4 Designer. So let's start with our lower third scene here, and we have a text with the presenter name, and we have a little highlight around it. Now what we're going to do is create a trigger that will trigger an animation every time the export value is changed. So let's just change the opacity of the highlight to 0. And we'll set a keyframe, and then we'll jump to frame 30, and we'll set the opacity to 1, and we'll set it again, and then jump to 60 and set it to 0. So now we have a simple animation that makes the glow happen like this. Now if we go to the text object, we can go to the presenter name, text string, and we'll create an export for this. So over here we have the new exports and connections window. So here we can see the connections where the data will flow through the scene, and down here we have our exports. So I'm just going to change the name to presenter, and we have presenter name in here, and I can change the data and we'll see my name appear like so. So now let's go to the triggers window, and we have in here a new trigger called export, and we can add this to our list, and it will say when export question mark is changed, do something. So we can choose from this presenter, because that's the export that we just created, and we can play an animation. So let's take our animation and add it like so. We'll say pause, we're going to rewind then play the animation called animation 01. So now what should happen is every time I change the value for presenter, it will play this animation 01. So now let's go back to my connections window. I have my name here, and we're going to put in a new presenter name. We send it, and the animation is played automatically. So this allows you to automate a lot of little animations in the scene when you want to highlight something that's changing without having to create these as actions in 3D Play or additional animations and page logic inside Maestro. So it really allows the designer to shift some of the work back into their hands to control the look of the scene easily with the triggers. Thank you very much.